All right, Norma Jean Wallace and Normie's Tidbits. We're back for part 2 of making biscuits. We're going to go the video route this time instead of live, but be sure to check out part 1 on my live of making homemade biscuits, teaching my granddaughter Kensley. She turned 8 last month. This is her first time of learning how to make homemade biscuits, and we're doing the second part of the video, so be sure to watch the first part live. Okay, we had reached the stage. Kensley, you want to pull it over so you not get too much flour. You're already to the point you don't need to get any more flour in yours. So that's about where Kensley was with her. So leave yours and let me get mine. Don't put any more flour in yours. And I may just have to, I will try to get you a picture to put in the comments of what our results of each of them look like. And also, I'll try to get it over on YouTube. So be sure and, wait a minute, you don't want to keep doing yours. I'm just trying to get mine ready. Okay. We'll go over to my YouTube channel. You're going to have to look it up under Norma Jean Wallace. But I also use the, at Normie's Tidbits. But you'll probably have to go to Norma Jean Wallace. Do subscribe, because the first 250 subscribers will have their name in a drawing for a cash prize. And so be sure and do that. And also I'll post the part 2 video over on there. And also, if you see these aprons, today we're making biscuits, and I've already given away one on another video I did. But if you like, comment, and share, and put in the comments that you did all 3, we'll be giving away. I have a, well, the shorter one's already taken, but I have this longer Making Biscuits apron that says Making Biscuits, Normie's Tidbits. So if you will like, comment, and share, either on my part 1 or the part 2 video, I'll put the thing together, but we'll have a drawing for another apron. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our fryers. And where's the other fryer? Is it down here? What did I, yes, let me get my other fryer. Okay. So, all right, Kensley, what we want to do is get Crisco. Let's just move your bowl out of the way. Get some Crisco on your hand like I'm doing. And let's go around your fryer and get it on the edges, and then come and get it on the bottom. Make sure you cover it good. I don't know which fryer does the best. First. Okay, you got yours good. Get it good in the middle there. All right, that's good. Now we're gonna pull a bowl up to us. And here's what we're going to do, Kensley. We're going to take just a little. Again, don't get your flour in it. Look, pull it up where you can pinch it off some of it. About how much you want for a biscuit. Now, you don't, look here. All right, yeah. Do like this, and then put it in the flour and roll it so it don't stick to your hands, okay? And lay it in your fryer. All right, don't mash it down. All right, look, get you another piece. All right, look here, just, yeah, all right. Now look, you're getting it stuck to your hand, so you're gonna need to get it off into the flour, and then put it back in your hand when you turn it over in the flour. Go back and forth like this. Put it into here next to it, but don't like that. But you're gonna need to maybe go a little bigger with it. Let's pinch you off a piece like this, and stick it there, and then pick it back up. We don't want to get too much flour in them. Look like we may already have a little too much today, but it'll be all right. Biscuits are always good, even if we mess up a little. Just stick them next to each other. You want to leave just a little space between them, not much. Ooh, I dropped that one, didn't I? All right. Kensley's making her some cute little biscuits. Go ahead and stick it a little closer. Let's pinch. This one's a little bit dry, so I'm going to go ahead and help you with this one, because we don't want to get too much flour into them. Okay, so try not to lift your flour, and go ahead and do that one. Okay. If it's sticky, just stick it in your flour and kind of go back and forth between your hand there. Okay, you're doing good. Now look, we do want to set it a little bit closer each time, right there, just right close to it, okay? If it's sticky, just lay it in your flour a minute and pick it back up. Now I'm gonna have a little bit more than I want for this one, so I'm gonna use another little fryer, but this is all I'm doing that one, all right? Put it in here, and there you go. All right, put it right there, be fine. All right, let's get you about that much and get that one going. Let's get it over in here. That may be all we put in that one. And what we're gonna do is put the rest of ours together in a smaller fryer. Now, don't mash it hard, but take your hand and mash them down a little bit across. Not too far down, but mash them a little bit, not hard, just a little bit like that. That looks pretty good, Kensley, for your first biscuits. And we're about to put them in the oven. And I'll put a picture in the comment. And maybe I can even splice it together and show you on the video. I'll do a little video when they come out of the oven. I'll show you hers and show you mine. Thank you for watching. Be sure like, comment, and share on this video, which is going to be part 2, or on my live, which is part 1, and someone can win. Be sure and let me know you shared, because sometimes the names of the people that shared does not show up. Also, be sure and go over to the YouTube channel, look me up under Norma Jean Wallace. Be sure and subscribe and get your name in a drawing for a cash prize for the first. We're getting close to 100, but when we get 250 subscribers, we'll do a cash drawing. So thanks for watching. Did you have fun, Kensley?
Yeah.
Are you anxious to see how yours turned out? I think they're gonna be pretty good. What do you think? Yeah, you think they will be? All right, Kensley's not really this shy. She normally is laughing, cutting up, but you know, I think she thinks somebody else is watching her today. But I'm so glad I got to teach you, Kensley, and I want you to go home and practice more. And remember what I showed you. If you forget, tell your mama to turn on the Facebook Live and watch Nana help you make biscuits, and you can watch it and learn again. Thank y'all. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.